Ready to transform your photos from ordinary to extraordinary in seconds with the magic of Adobe Photoshop presets. Let's dive in. First, open your Adobe Photoshop and locate the presets panel. If you cannot see it, go to Window at the top and make sure Presets is checked. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the Presets panel to reveal a menu. From there, you can find the option to load presets. Select that. Once the File Explorer opens, navigate to the folder where your presets are saved. This can be directly in Adobe Photoshop or in a separate folder. Select the preset file. These files usually end in the extension XMP or cube file types. Click on Load to import your chosen preset into Photoshop. Note: if you've downloaded a compressed file zip, be sure to unzip it first. Your newly loaded presets will now appear within your presets panel, ready to use. Click on the different presets to apply them to your image. Don't like them? Don't worry. Just click another until you find one you love. Now, locate your Layers panel, often found on the right corner. If you love the effects but want to tweak them, you are able to by adjusting the opacity of the group or on the Layers opacity adjustments. Layer opacity allows you to fine-tune the intensity of the applied preset and allows for mixing and matching different layers. And there you have it. With presets, you're not just editing pictures, you're creating art. And now you can do it faster than ever. So go experiment, have fun, and don't forget to subscribe for more super useful editing tips.